This is Everbright Sweater Limited, or ESL for short. Hi, I'm Shiab Kadir, the CEO of Everbright Sweater Limited. ESL is an ISO 9001 certified, fully compliant factory situated in Ashulia, Dhaka, Bangladesh. Established in 2004, it is part of the Everbright Group, founded in 1982 by its chairman, Tawfiq Kadir, and managing director, Ihsan Allah. ESL is equipped with specialized designers and CAD programmers who collaborate with the customers to create new developments based on current trends. Our pro-efficient merchandisers are assigned buyer-wise to communicate all activities from sampling to order to shipment. We strive to use the latest in technologies, from Shingoseki automatic knitting machines to auto winding and the next generation of linking machines. ESL's line system expert production is controlled by industrial engineering. Every manufacturing action is time-based and followed by quality assurance checks to ensure on-time shipments. Industrial engineers and quality controllers with their teams are assigned to each floor, monitoring performance and time management right until final inspections. We are providing the full sourcing solution to our well-recognized buyers from Europe, America, and Australia, some for over 10 years. We have the capability to produce almost all types of flat knitwear for men, women, and children in 3 to 14 gauge. Jacquard, intarsia, cable, pointo, basic, argyle, and all other knitting patterns are possible. The principal structures inside the premises include the main production building, the power generation building, the boiler house, and the corporate building, holding the reception, human resources, admin, compliance, and the display center. Now, something we're really excited about, our new state-of-the-art, seismic resistant, LEED certified green factory building will be complete by 2020. This will increase our current capacity of 3 million sweaters to over 6 million sweaters per year. ESL is compliant with BSCI, SEDEX, ICS, WCA, Accord, Alliance, ISO 9001, GOTS, and Ocotex. We're equipped with the very best in safety systems, certified by UL, FM, and Intertech. We focus on reducing our carbon footprint by using wastewater treatment plant, SLED lighting, energy efficient systems, and monitoring our water, noise, and air quality. All our employees are part of the Everbright family, for which we prioritize ethical accountability, from social and sporting events to providing UV-treated drinking water, dining facilities, to childcare as well as medical care. ESL is strict with the security of everything and everyone inside its premises, engaging modern equipment and trained personnel. We participated at the Tex World Paris Fashion Show last year, where we ranked top for designs selected for sweaters. Our city office, located in Panani, comprises our collection display showroom, commercial and accounts departments. Thank you for watching and hope you get to